What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to generate leads to your WhatsApp page to get more followers into your WhatsApp page. So if you want to get more followers and likes into your WhatsApp page and start selling your product into those people, make sure you watch this video to the end. Hi, my name is Seth. I make video on how to run ads or how to market your business online and start making money from it. So to get started, make sure you go to business.facebook.com, and if you open it, this is the screen of it, or what you see on your screen. And make sure you go to get start. If you click on get start, then it will take you to where you will log in using your Facebook profile account or sign in. This is how my screen is. I have a page and this is the uploads. So if you haven't followed our page, you can check it out and follow this page because we share more details on how to promote your business. So if you come here and you want to run ads, go to the all tools section down here, and if you click on it, you come to the ads manager. So if you click on the ads manager, it will take you to place where you will start running ads for your business. And if you want to know the full tutorial on how to run ads on Facebook, make sure you check on the description. I have a video on everything, the full guide on running ads. You have the billing section. If you haven't linked your billing or your payment method, go in and make sure you provide a correct payment method to it. To run ads, you first need to go to this section, that's the create ads, and click on it. This is where you need to choose your objectives, what your main purpose of running the ads. And for this one, our main purpose is to generate leads, to get more WhatsApp followers. So I'll choose the leads generation because we want to get leads into our WhatsApp account. And lead generation is where you create an ad that would takes your customer details or your customers information so that you can start marketing your product to these people. If I come to the list, then come to create, continue. On this section, you go to the manual section, continue. This where you start setting up your ads. So the first option, you can change the name. You come to the category section. The category section, you can leave it or you can choose a category. So the country section is where you want your ads to be run, the place that you want your ads to run. So you click on the country and choose a specific country. If you don't want your ads to run on your own country, you can choose a different country. To choose a different country, come and uncheck this one and come to country and select any kind of country that you want to run your ads here. That's the campaign details. We have already set it. The campaign objectives, we have already set that one. The A and B text, we can leave it. And then let's come to the budget. Come here and set up the budget, the daily budget that I want to run this ad. And if you come to this section, check this one and come down, choose the starting date and the end date. Let's say you want your ads to run for 5 days, so you go into the starting date and choose the date, and you come to the end date, then you choose a date that you want your ads to run. And you can set up a time to the time zone that you want your ads to run. Maybe you want it to run from this time and end on this time, you can choose it. After all this is set, you come in and click next. So here is where you choose to where you want your people to land. The reason why I'm choosing the website section is I want them to land on my WhatsApp group. When I choose that one, it means I'm going to put in my WhatsApp URL. Website URL is where you put in your WhatsApp's group link, and the location too is where you want your ads to run. So if I choose Ghana here, you can see the whole of Ghana is where my ads will run. And then you come to the age section. The age section is you choose from a different range of age to a different range of age. So I want to sell a product to people, so I can choose from 20 years, and for this product is about advertising product. So and then I choose, let's say, 55 years too, then leave it. I want male and female. Choose your language. I want people who can speak and understand this language, so I choose English. And it come to placement. Where do you want your ads to be pleased. I don't want Instagram, I want Messenger at all. I don't want Messenger, but I want Instagram and Facebook. Then I want check the audience network, and this one I can choose to edit it or check for this one. So I can go to show more option and choose a kind of device that I want people to use to. And after everything is set, come in and click on next. Make sure you check whether the page is the correct or the right one that you want to use to run the ads. We have the ad setup here. Here is we have the manual upload to put on our own video and pictures. So if I come to the art format, I want to use single image and video. Then I come to the Ask Creative, how I want it to be shown. You can upload different one from your PC, or you can check if you have some here, you can use that one. Then I go to next. So here shows how my ads will displays to the search results, the story and the reels, and then the search result at the right corner and the rest. Then if I click on next, it will display it for me. If I want to crop it or do something about it, I can do it in this area. Then I'm going to done to complete everything. You can see the displays here. Okay, so this is how it will displays to people on the site, right in my title. So if I choose here, this is my primary title like this. Pure, your title is an eye-catching title that convinces people to follow your page. So if I use this title, yeah, I can use this title, learn how to sell digital product and make money. So this is my title, and I have the option to add up to 5 primary text words. So here we have the contact, here we have the learn more. So I choose learn more. Come to the destination where you want your people to land. So here is where you put into your WhatsApp URL. So let me go in and copy and come and paste in my WhatsApp URL. So this is my WhatsApp URL. So I can preview it. So let me preview it for you to see how it look like. So if someone click on it, it will take the person straight to join the chat. Okay, they just click on it and join the chat. So this is how it look like. After everything is done, you scroll and check if everything that you have set is correct. Then you can come to preview. So this is how my ads look like. This is, so if someone click on learn more, it will take the person to where my WhatsApp URL is. So if you have done with everything, you come in and click on publish. Facebook take time to review your ads. After everything is set, then they will publish your ads. So this is the easy and the faster way to start running ads to generate more leads into your WhatsApp and start selling your product. Interested leads who joined your WhatsApp. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel. See you in our next video.